Anyone feeling hungry? Well, it's time to check out the Food Festival progression event that's now live on Rollercoin, right here on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Okay, so all this talk of food is really making me hungry, but first, let's check out Food Festival, the progression event that is now live on Rollercoin. On my screen here, you can see the game section of Rollercoin, and at the top of the banner, Food Festival, and this is the progression event that is now going on, which just started 30 minutes ago at the time of recording this video. So more details, we can see that the most powerful miner in this progression event is Fallen Food at 2.3 petahash per second, and they are just shy of 2 days remaining for this progression event. So basically we've got 2 days to be able to complete the progression event, okay? So here you can see the quest. So to get to a higher difficulty level in a game, you get 500 points. When you spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace and except in the crafting offer, you get 1000 points for each and every RLT spent. The same for each and every RLT spent in the marketplace, but this time it's 100 points. And when you spend 1 RLT for the crafting offer, for each and every RLT that you spend, you get 5000 points. So again, look out for those crafting offers, okay? I'm still at level 1 here, trying to get this 10 XP for the event pass. So be sure to try and get through this progression event, because I'm sure there are a couple of those XP points that you can get to boost your season and try and get those hamsters as well, okay, if you've got the gold pass. So let's check out the list of rewards thanks to Piero for this progression event as well. So you can see the entire list here, and I did mention that there are more EXP points, and you can see there are 15 more EXP points at level 6. The entire list consists of 15 levels, so this progression event is a 15 level progression event, and you get a total of 25 EXP points at level 1 and at level 6 respectively. At level 2 we can see that there's 0.25 RLT, and at level 3 we've got 50 RST, and we've got another 100 RST at level 7, giving you a total of 150 RST in this progression event that you can spend in the season store. We've got 2 bit aces at level 4 and at level 5 respectively, but the one at level 4 is the uncommon version of the bit ace at 15 terahash at 0.08% bonus. There are 2 other bit aces as well further down. At level 8 we've got the legendary bit ace with 285 terahash at 0.65% bonus, and at level 12 there is the unreal bit ace at 748 terahash at 0.98% bonus. We've got also a temporary bonus at level 9 with 5 petahash, and that will give you 2 weeks, 14 days of 5 petahash as temporary bonus. 2 iced out cream at level 10 and level 11 respectively, and those give you a nice cool 2% bonus. If you merge those 2 into an uncommon, you could potentially merge the uncommon that you will get at level 14 at 918 terahash at 2.10% bonus, and you'll get even more power and an even higher bonus, okay? So you'll be able to get the rare by just merging level 10 and level 11 and the one at level 14. Red Silk 6 at level 13, and you get an 8% bonus increase, which means 8% more powerful miners for each and every miner that you place on the Red Silk 6 rack. Fallen Food, last but not least, at level 15, 2.3 petahash in power and 2.3% bonus power. So basically, all in all, you get 4.9 petahash if you complete the entire progression event and manage to get all of the miners. You also get 8.11% bonus attached to those miners, and remember, you do need to place all the miners on the rack for the bonus to be able to count. And if you already have the miners, then you will only get the bonus for one of the miners that you have in your room and not for more than one of them, okay? So for example, if you have the iced out cream at 2% bonus and you have 2 of them on your racks, only one of them is going to count for the bonus, but obviously the power will still count for both of them, so you'll have a total power in this example of 700 terahash. You get temporary bonus power of 5 petahash per second, 25 EXP points for the season pass, and 150 total RST. There is also a 50% reduction on the multiplier again for this progression event, meaning that you will be spending less crypto, getting more RLT, and getting a higher multiplier than you normally would. So the multiplier for this one will be when you exchange your crypto to 5 RLT, you will get a ×1 multiplier. Under other normal circumstances, you would get the same amount of multiplier when you exchange 10 RLT and not 5 RLT. So do keep that in mind. There is also a 35% discount going on, and this 35% discount that is currently going on, let me refresh the page, it is currently going on ETH, and there is 35% discount on ETH at the moment. So definitely be sure to leverage that discount coupled with the 50% discount that you get on the multiplier, so you'll be able to blast through that progression event even faster. The total number of points that you need to get for this progression event in order to be able to complete all of the levels is 4.6 million points. You can see it right here, 4.6 million points in total to get all of the rewards. Okay, so that's not too bad. I don't think you'll need a very high multiplier to get that. In my opinion, I think that at ×15 or ×16 should be sufficient. You can see the list here with a 35% discount, like I mentioned, on ETH at the moment. Then you can get a ×15 multiplier by spending less than $50, and you'll be actually buying 70 RLT, where normally you would be spending $70 to buy the same equivalents. Okay, so do take advantage of these discounts because they will definitely help you out to get through the progression event even faster. So I wish you well with the Food Festival progression event. It's time for me to go and have some food myself. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.